Right. Good morning to one and all. Okay. Today I am going to explain the relation between load, shear force and bending moment. Okay. For obtaining relation between these, I am considering one beam. Okay, one simply supported beam. Okay. One simply supported beam. It is carrying a UDL load of entire length. A UDL load of entire length. Okay. It is having some length. It is having some length L. The load is W per meter run. Okay. It is point A and this one is point B. Okay. Now I am considering one section. One section, that is length of that section is dx. It is at a distance of x meters from point A. Okay, it is this section 1 and this one is section 2. Okay, now I am drawing separately this section. Now I am drawing separately this section. It is the beam. It carrying UDL load. Okay, the length of the beam selected part is dx. Okay, it is section 1 and it is section 2. It is section 2 and this one is section 1. Okay, at section 1 the shear force is acting upwards. Okay, we can take any direction, no problem. Similarly, at section 2 the shear force acting downwards with intensity F plus dF. By considering the length of the beam, it is known as F plus dF. F plus dF. Similarly, at point 1 having moment M. At point section 2 the moment is increased, that is M plus dM. Okay, on this section, this part, some UDL is acting W. Okay, W with the distance of dx. W Newton per meter. Now resolve the forces acting on the beam. Now resolve the forces acting on the beam. Forces acting on beam, that equals to, from right side, F plus dF is acting downwards. It is taken as positive. Next, we did not consider the moments during the calculation of forces. Next, on section beam acting downward force, that is acting some UDL with intensity W, that is plus W into dx. Okay. Next, at point 1, at section 1 having one shear force is acting upwards, so that it is taken as minus F, that equals to 0. From this, dF is equals to minus W dx. Finally, dF by dx is equals to minus W. Okay, it is the relation between load and shear force. Equation 1. From above equation represents the rate of change of shear force with respect to length is equals to load. Okay. Similarly, taking moments about A. Taking moments about A. For this, at point 1, at point 1, right side of beam having one couple and shear force and UDL. Okay, at section 1 considering the couple. Okay, by considering all the forces, right side of force, that is M plus dm, is acting anti-clockwise, so that it is taken as positive. Next, F plus df is acting clockwise, so that it is taken as negative, minus F plus df into, from this point to this point distance is dx, so that F plus df into dx. Next, some UDL is acting on the beam. Okay, that the load is W, it is acting clockwise, so that taken as minus W into distance, it is acting on a distance dx, it is acting midpoint of 1 and 2, so that it is taken as dx by 2. Okay, next at point 1, shear force, there is no distance from one point, first section and F, so that it becomes 0. The next force is couple, that is moment, M is acting clockwise, so that it is taken as negative minus M, that equals to 0. Here minus M plus M get cancelled. Here dm minus F dx minus df dx minus W dx square by 2 is equals to 0. I am taking this term and this term 0. df into dx, it is smaller values. Okay, so that I am taking these two terms become 0, and this one also 0. The remaining is dm is equals to F dx, so that dm by dx is equals to F. It is the relation between bending moment and shear force. That is, from the above equation we can write as the rate of change of bending moment with respect to length is known as shear force. Okay, it is the relation between bending moment and shear force. Okay, for here first we taken one simply supported beam with UDL. Next we taken one section with length dx. The section is at a distance of x meter from the left end. Next we resolved the forces acting on that section. We got relation between load and shear force. Next we calculated moments about point A. We got relation between bending moment and shear force. Okay, thanks for watching.